Hey there, folks. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful law that can transform your life, your business, and your future success. It's Law 5. You must lean into bizarre behavior. So, get ready to discover why leaning in can be your secret weapon in a world of rapid change and innovation. Picture this. The former CEO of a massive music store, standing on the balcony, confidently declaring, "People love music. That's why we'll always be in business." Yet, years later, his empire crumbled. He underestimated what his customers truly wanted. They didn't want CDs, they wanted music. Apple's iTunes, a digital music platform, emerged and changed the game. He leaned out, refused to adapt, and paid the price. Now, let's talk about why we lean out. It's not just about being wrong. It's about being so sure of ourselves that we refuse to consider new information. Enter cognitive dissonance. It's that tension we feel when our beliefs clash with reality. It's like being a smoker, knowing it's harmful, but finding excuses to justify it. We all do this, and it keeps us from embracing change. Imagine this, making a public statement that goes against popular belief. It's like what the CEO of Intel did when he dismissed the idea of personal communicators in every pocket. We hate being wrong so much that we'll go to great lengths to prove we're right, even when evidence suggests otherwise. It's human nature. I recall my own experience pitching the idea of social media to a fashion brand's marketing director in 2012. He leaned out, refused to see the potential, and dismissed the idea. My company soared while that brand filed for bankruptcy in 2019. Resistance to change can sink businesses. Here's the kicker: innovative ideas often face fierce criticism. Remember when social media marketing was called a fad by traditional media? Critics attacked us because they didn't understand it, and it threatened their identity. Innovations that challenge the norm often endure this backlash. Innovation is disruptive because it's different. It looks weird, feels unconventional, and sounds wrong. Advertising legend Rory Sutherland emphasizes that our affinity for established ideas can blind us to the potential of new ones. So when something feels weird, it might be worth leaning in. With change accelerating at an unprecedented rate, we must become lean in people. We shouldn't rush to judgment or cling to binary thinking. We must embrace nuance and ask ourselves the tough questions. Are we leaning out because we don't understand? Are these our beliefs or just the beliefs of those like us? In conclusion, remember Law 5. You must lean into bizarre behavior. When you don't understand, lean in. When it challenges your intelligence, lean in. When it makes you feel uncomfortable, lean in. Leaning out will leave you behind. Take risks, embrace change, and own the future. Don't be afraid to lean in. That's a wrap for today's video, my friends. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our next video. Until then, keep leaning in and embracing the bizarre behavior that leads to success. Stay tuned for more insightful content, and as always, keep striving for greatness.